If you want to try a classy and classic Scotch whiskey cocktail, keep watching because today I'm going to make the Rob Roy. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make the Rob Roy, which is technically a Manhattan with Scotch whiskey in it. And the first ingredient that it calls for is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a Scotch whiskey. Normally I like to use a blended Scotch, and one of my preferred blended Scotch whiskies is the Monkey Shoulder. What I like about this blended Scotch whiskey is it's actually a blend of 3 single malts. So it's a vatted or a blended malt. Next up, it calls for 30 mils of a sweet vermouth. Calls for a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. And then a couple more dashes of Peychauds bitters. So if you're using the normal sort of Peychauds bottles or the Angostura, you probably just do 1 dash. Just with these little droppers here, not as much comes out, so always be wary. Just try 1 dash first. Ice that down, give it a stir down. Now this was created in 1894 at New York City's Waldorf Astoria Hotel. However, it wasn't named after the Scottish folk hero, it was actually named after a Broadway show. Let's strain that into a chilled coupette glass. And my garnish is a Marashino cherry. That is the Rob Roy. Let's give it a try. Yeah, beautiful. Now the recipe that I'm doing today was in the 1948 book by David Embry. It's called The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks, and the reason that it also has Peychauds bitters in this recipe is because he believes that Peychauds goes really well with Scotch whiskey. I love it. Still dry, the vermouth just comes through perfectly there. That bitterness dries out the vermouth as well. Really boozy drink. As I said, it's been around for a really long time, and all you Scotch whiskey drinkers, don't just drink it straight all the time. Like, I love drinking my whiskies neat. However, make some cocktails too because they are damn delicious. Guys, please like, subscribe. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.